At FOMS in San Diego, California, we are trying to build a new manufacturing platform for International Space Station for making optical fibers in zero-gravity environment. Optical fibers are used for data transmission for internet. The existing silica fibers are having a hard time to meet the demands of 5G networks. What we are trying to do here is to build next generation optical fibers that will transmit substantially more data over longer distances. The next generation of optical fibers for future networks would be made of a different type of material, such as Z-plan optical fibers. Z-plan optical fibers are really a challenge to manufacture on Earth due to crystallization and phase separation in these fibers. International Space Station is a unique platform for manufacturing environment that has not been addressed yet. We are launching 2 payloads with 4 drawing towers that will have a capacity of manufacturing 100 kilometers for optical fiber. Our plan is to commercialize the human presence on low orbit and fully utilize the microgravity environment for manufacturing needs.